Today we had an equity peak in the 50K portfolio, so I want to show that to you. It's the portfolio calculator that we use. This current drawdown is at 0, which means we're at an equity peak, and the performance started out slow on the year, picked up a little bit in January, and in March we're doing well, up 7,800 on the year in 2016. And so how does that play out? We talked about the averages since 2012, 37K, 35K. And then we had a dip in 2014 with 23K. Then we had 39K. So 3 of the last 4 years have been very consistent. 37, 35, and 39 are all very consistent with one another. And then 2014, kind of a deviation from that. And 7,800, where does that put us? Where does that? How's the pace for that on the year? Well, we take $7,800 and divide it by 2.5 months, and it's $31.20 a month. And then we take that and multiply it times 12 months, and we're pacing a year, an annual of 37,440 per contract. So pretty good for a 50K portfolio. I'm just doing this calculation to show you how consistent it's been 3 of the last 4 years and how we're pacing that average between the averages of 2012, 2013, and 2015. The average is about 37K, and so far this year we're pacing 37K. So that's pretty good. And it's a portfolio that you can trade with 50K or less. In some cases, you can trade this with as little as 20K if your broker has a low margin rate. So that's the update for the 50K portfolio. Pretty excited about that. I always like an equity peak, and because of that, what I recommend, drawdown curve. Taking a look at the drawdown curve, what I recommend to do is to get ready to trade this strategy is to wait for a drawdown between 2 and 4K. And if you haven't been trading it, wait for the drawdown between 2 and 4K. And then if you have been trading it and you want to add contracts to it, wait for a drawdown between 2 and 4K, which is in this area right here. It pulls back to this area quite a bit. You could wait for a pullback to this number, but it may not happen for several years. And so there's a frequent drawdowns to 2K, and so you can anticipate that there'll be a 2 to 4K drawdown here in the next month or so. And so you can get the portfolio if you don't have it and trade it. And because of this opportunity, because we're in equity peak, we have a special offer on our annual subscription, and that is below this video, and it's for TradeStation, Multi-Charts, and NinjaTrader. Highly recommend this portfolio with 11 strategies, 7 trend strategies, and 4 counter trend strategies. That's the update. Let me know if you have any questions.